Well, I did something kind of silly the other day. I got a phone call and had to run to a project, and so I had to run off and leave the range really quick, and I left my target stand at the planking range. So we're going to find out if it's still there. I'm pretty sure it will be. It may be pushed over to the side, but it should be interesting. I do not see it. Holy cow, I think somebody shot it, knocked it down or something. Can you believe that? Somebody shot it. And this is what you get when you leave your target stand laying out or at the range. It wasn't laying out, it was standing up. But I guess I could salvage my bongo ties. Feel like Steve Martin. I don't need that, but I could use this. I need this.